was making a house, guys. It has gone for other materials. Wow, this is so amazing. You can see it's hiding there. I'm still progressing with the artwork, you can see. Wow. Amazing artwork there. Kindly, guys, can you rate my artwork? You can see the wasp's house. This is so exciting. So very exciting. You can see inside. Wow, this is so amazing. Today I'm going to make green crumbs, and I'm gonna add some potatoes and carrots. I have my carrots here, garlic, ginger, onions, and of course potatoes. I love potatoes. I don't know whether you guys love potatoes. You can comment in the comment section down below and tell me whether you love potatoes like me. Especially in our tribe. I'm from a tribe called Kikuyu, and I really really love potatoes. Irish potatoes. These are Irish potatoes, guys. Somebody is knocking at the gate, so I have to open. Who is that? My daughter has just come from the school. She's my last born girl. Wow. Hi, Shiko.
Hi.
Say hi to my viewers.
Hi.
What are you going to tell them?
Nothing.
You have nothing. She's called Eden. So, sawa. So, this I have settled my girl down. I did have to take her snack, evening snack. After when she comes from school, she's usually very hungry, so I had to give her a bit of snack. love this thing because it makes your work very easy. You see, it works like magic, very fast. You see, and I'm done. Green grams are very high in protein. That is why I love them. And they are very delicious with rice. You can also take them with ugali. You can also take them with chapatis. Yeah, they are usually very delicious. And I'm going to show you how I do it myself at home. So, Shiko.
Yes?
Don't tamper with that one. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. We do coring of this other part. This is called coring. You core the root side, and then you cut on this other side like that, and then you peel. Nakula ndizi. Is it very nice?
Yes.
You love it?
Yes.
How was school today?
Good.
Did you enjoy being in school?
Yes.
Very much?
Yes.
Why is Baraka?
It's coming.
Where did you leave him?
It's coming with coming.
Alright. So I have to be very fast in cooking because they can sleep early because they wake up very early today. They always go very early in the morning to school. So there I have my everything. You see? The potatoes. I'm not going to put a lot of them. These are to thicken the soup. Yeah. And there I have my everything is ready. The wasp is back again, guys. Yeah. It's gone. There we have the wasp's house. It is not yet complete. Wow, you can see how amazing it is. Wow, I can't believe it. You see the beauty of having the flowers in my compound. Wow, this is the beauty. They're almost cooked, you can see. The dough is becoming smaller and smaller. It's continuing its work, guys. You can see the dough was a bit wide. Now it is very small. So it is going to hide inside there. Let's wait and see what it does next. There we have our green grams. They are already boiled and cooked, ready for frying. are watering our spinaches. Finally, they are doing very well. My small girl here helping me out. You can see. So guys, here we have our ingredient to fry our green crumbs. We have garlic, which has been finely chopped. We have ginger, finely chopped ginger, onion, red onion. We have our coriander, yellow capsicum. We have tomatoes. We have carrots and potatoes and beef masala. So let's pre-warm our cooking oil. So we pre-warm our cooking oil. Let's switch on our cooker. We pre-warm our cooking oil. Add the cooking oil in a sufuria. Let it pre-warm. Then I'll add onion. We'll add onion. Let it saute for like 2 minutes until it is brown. After it is golden brown, we add ginger. Let it fry a bit. We add garlic, and then we add tomatoes, and we add carrots. We stir. We add salt and beef masala. We continue stirring until it is well cooked. After the tomatoes are well cooked, you can see the cooking oil is separated from the carrots and the tomatoes. We add the potatoes. We give them like 5 minutes to cook because the green crumbs are already cooked. Cover with the lid. After 5 minutes, check whether they are cooking. You can see they are cooking very well and they are very colorful. So we add the green pepper and the yellow pepper and let them cook for 2 minutes. Let them sit here a bit for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are still continuing. You can see that they are very colorful. We start and then we add the green crumbs. After we add the green crumbs, you can see we add some water for it to boil with soup. Wow, I'm a mother of many and I have to cook a lot of food, guys. You can see we stir after we add the water. After you add the water, you can taste whether the salt is enough. It is not enough. I'm going to add a little bit so as it can boil together. I think now it is enough. Yeah, it's okay. So let's see whether it is cooked. Wow, it looks perfect. You can see the food is very well cooked. So we garnish with our dania here, coriander. We switch off the cooker and we garnish with a bunch of coriander. And our food is ready to serve. So guys, there we have our food, our green grams with chapati, with my children there. You can see. And there we go. Thank you so much for always tuning in. See you in the next video. Let's eat our food and enjoy. You and you're all welcome. There are my children, guys, from the firstborn to the lastborn. And I thank God for this. Wow, the green grams looks very yummy with the chapatis.